Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can buy iPhone online with using Apple gift card. First, go to apple.com for this. Now choose your iPhone from there, and for example, I am selecting iPhone. I'm selecting an iPhone 16e, this one. Now what you have to do is select buy, then from here select your color. Here I'm selecting black. Now from here select storage. I'm selecting this one. Now select a smartphone. You can trade also. I'm selecting no trading. Now selecting buy option here. Select a carrier. I'm selecting AT&T. Then you can select a coverage. I'm selecting this one. 2 years of coverage. Now select add to back here. Then now here you can select review back. Now you have to select checkout. Then now you can also log in, or you can also continue as guest. Now I would you choose your option. I like it delivered, or I'll pick it up. Then select your zip code. Then you can save your location for future visit, and then you can apply and enter your into the payment method. Enter your Apple gift card code, and that's how you can buy iPhone with your Apple gift card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.